fuck around, turn into a werewolf.
Guess what we're doing today? Guess what we're doing? Just guess. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Guess what we're doing? Just guess. That's not mine, but that's Izzy's. So the bolts that are, holding that, they're fucking stripped as fuck. Look how bad it is.
You grinded them down from being so slammed.
Yeah, so being hella slammed, that's it. Being hella fucking slammed, that's it's all stripped. So that thing right there. We have to take off that and kind of unbolt the exhaust just to try to take the diff off right now, because we still haven't been able to because of this holding it too. So we're gonna see what's up if it comes down right now. All right, so a good amount of shit happened to the Z. The axle's low-key ripped, so I'm probably gonna have to get a new one. I got the bulb. We're gonna go get it at a parts store. We're gonna go get it, maybe True Value. And I need 4 of these. I'm gonna get 4 of them. Then we're gonna get food too, because I'm starving. He's starving. This is Indy's Honda.
No VTEC?
Yeah.
Not yet.
No VTEC yet.
Don't have the VTEC ECU.
Yeah.
It might blow up or not, so recording.
I'm already recording here.
I'm gonna go crazy cut. I'm gonna let out all 80 horsepower right now.
I'm putting easy on. Porcaritos.
Some fruity ass shit. Let's see what's up with it. It's good.
Yeah, shrimp. Fire?
Yeah, it's pretty good, dog. I don't like sushi, dog. And it tastes like sushi, you know?
A little, but
But it's cooked.
Yeah.
It's cooked, so it's decent, you know?
Yep. Alright, so we gotta clean out the diff. Is it 14 millimeters to take out the plate?
Yeah, 14 millimeters.
Yeah.
Take out the cover.
Diff cover. Now we're using brake cleaner to clean it. And there's 10 bulbs you gotta take out. Did you burn it or what?
Yeah, just search it.
Gotcha.
Or not like that's fine.
Oh no, baby. Nah. Here, make this explode, food. Damn. Hold on, let me go. Get there. Fuck.
Let it fry up. I gotta make one. Cut it off from my fucking shed.
Literally.
Now we wet it in.
Yeah.
It's tight.
That's it?
Now I gotta do some welds all around it.
Oh. All right, so we're done putting on the diff and exhaust and everything. Now we're gonna go test it out right now. What's that noise? Check.
The next day.
Aftermath of a welded diff. Ah, you stalled.